In Hangul, double vowels are just a combination of basic ones. Imagine them as a slide. Your mouth starts in one position and glides to another. For example, for wa, start with your lips rounded for o and quickly open them for a.
아, 에, 어, 에, 야, 예, 여, 예.
Honestly, even for Koreans, way, and way sound almost exactly the same in daily conversation. So don't worry about the tiny difference. Just focus on the W sound.
오, 아, 와, 오, 에, 왜, 오, 이, 왜, 우, 어, 워, 우, 에, 왜, 우, 이, 위.
Let's check out some real-life Korean words using these vowels.
야, 야구, 샤넬, 여름, 겨울, 요요, 교실, 표정, 유리, 규칙, 휴식, 개미, 새, 채소, 메아리, 세계, 체육, 예절, 계절, 회, 얘기, 과일, 화가, 돼지, 괴물, 회사, 쇠, 최장, 회방, 위성, 귀.
Finally, we're wrapping up our vowel journey with the two most fundamental sounds in the entire Korean alphabet, U and E. They might look like simple lines, but they are the DNA of every other vowel we've learned. These two are your anchor sounds for pronunciation. For U, stretch your lips wide and flat as if you're making a forced smile. For E, keep your lips in that same flat position, but raise your tongue slightly. If you can master these two basic mouth shapes, your pronunciation of all other vowels will become much more natural.
그림, 느린, 크다. 기차, 비행기, 미술. 의사, 의자.
Compound vowels? Check. But remember, knowing them by eye is different from speaking them by heart. Keep practicing those W and Y sounds in front of a mirror until they feel natural. Your Korean skills just leveled up today. See you in the next lesson learned.